Chalukya. Chalukya dynasty. After the decline, Satavahana dynasty in South India, number of powerful dynasty emerged in South India like Pallavas, Cholas, Pandya, Rashtrakuta. And another important dynasty in South India with the contemporary of Rashtrakuta, Pallava and Chola, the dynasty known as Chalukya dynasty. In Indian history, Chalukya dynasty can be divided into three dynasties in South India between 6th century to 8th century, and the second time Imperial Chalukya dynasty created between 10th century to 12th century. The first time Chalukya dynasty ruled in South India in Indian history, 6th century to 8th century. The second time 10th century to 12th century. This is the period of Chalukya dynasty in South India, especially Karnataka region, Andhra and Telangana region under controlled by the Chalukya rulers. Those Chalukya rulers can be divided into three categories. The first Chalukya dynasty, that is Badami Chalukya, with the capital Vatapi or Badami, is the part of present day situated in Karnataka, Bijapur. The second Chalukya dynasty, Vengi. Vengi is the capital city of Eastern Chalukya. And the third dynasty and the last dynasty in Chalukya, Kalyani. Kalyani is the capital of Western Chalukya. Western Chalukya. Simple. The based on capital city. Chalukya dynasty can be divided into three. First dynasty in Chalukya, Badami Chalukya. The second dynasty in Chalukya, Eastern Chalukya. The third dynasty and last dynasty in Chalukya dynasty, Western Chalukya. Western Chalukya dynasty. Dynasty Badami. The capital of Badami dynasty, Vatapi nowadays Karnataka, Bijapur, region. And Eastern Chalukya capital, Vengi and Pitapuram and Rajamahendravaram. So three capitals belongs to Eastern Chalukya period. Vengi also called as Pedavegi, Pitapuram and Rajamahendravaram also called as Rajamandri. So these are the three capitals especially belongs to Eastern Chalukya, one of the branch in Chalukya dynasty. And Western Chalukya dynasty capital, Manyakhet, or Kalyani. Manyakhet or Kalyani is the capital of Western Chalukya. Who is the founder? Based on historical sources, the founder of Badami Chalukya, dynasty. Who is the one? The founder of Badami Chalukya, Pulakesi I. Some of the historical evidence. The real founder of Badami Chalukya, Pulakesi I. The first founder of the Badami Chalukya, Jayasimha. So some of the information, some of the archaeological evidences, Pulakesi I was the first independent ruler in Savarnian ruler in Badami Chalukya, or independent ruler in Badami Chalukya. And the Eastern Chalukya founder, who is one? The Eastern Chalukya founder, Kubja Vishnuvardhana. Kubja Vishnuvardhana was the brother of Pulakesin II. Brother of Pulakesin II. Pulakesin II. And the Western Chalukya founder, who is one? The Western Chalukya founder, Tailapa. Tailapa II was the Western Chalukya founder. And based on historical evidence like archaeological sources and inscriptions and literary works, the great rulers in Badami, in Eastern Chalukya, in Western Chalukya. The great ruler in Badami or Vatapi Chalukya. The first great ruler, Pulakesin II. Pulakesin II. And in Eastern Chalukya, the famous ruler, the great ruler, the best contribution given to the Western Chalukya, who is the one? Gunaga Vijayaditya. Gunaga Vijayaditya was the great ruler in Eastern Chalukya. And the second one, Raja or Raja Narendra. Raja Narendra was the second great ruler in Eastern Chalukya, given best contribution in literature. And the Western Chalukya, the great ruler, Vikramaditya VI was the great ruler in Western Chalukya. Who is the last ruler? Based on historical sources like archaeological evidences, the last ruler, of the Badami Chalukya, Kirtivarma. Kirtivarma II was the last ruler of the Badami Chalukya. And Eastern Chalukya, last ruler of the Eastern Chalukya, Kulutonga. Chola. Kulutonga Chola was the last ruler, and also he was the beginner of Chola Chalukya era. Chola Chalukya era. Who is the one? Kulutonga Chola. And Western Chalukya, last ruler, Someshwara. Someshwara IV was the last ruler in Western Chalukya. Someshwara was the last ruler in Western Chalukya. And based on historical sources like archaeological evidence and others, what is the exact period of Badami Chalukya, Eastern Chalukya and Western Chalukya? Period of the Badami Chalukya dynasty from AD 543 to AD 755. This is the exact period. Belongs to Badami or Vatapi Chalukya. In Karnataka is the capital Bijapur. Nothing but Vatapi is the capital of Badami Chalukya. And the Eastern Chalukya period, especially in Andhra area, AD 624 to AD 1076. 1076 is the period of Eastern Chalukya. And the Western Chalukya period AD 973 to AD nearly to 1200. Nearly 1200. This is the period of Western Chalukya. This is the period of Western Chalukya. The Badami Chalukya period AD 543 to AD 755. Eastern Chalukya period AD 624 to AD 1076. Western Chalukya period AD 973 to AD Anno Domini 1200. In the period of 1200, Chalukya dynasty declared. Chalukya dynasty declared in South India. What is the importance of Badami Chalukya? What is the contribution? Who is the famous ruler belongs to Badami Chalukya? What is the contribution to Chalukya dynasty, especially in South India? Badami Chalukya ruler. Badami Chalukya ruler. Badami Chalukya first ruler. Famous first ruler Pulakesin I and Kirtivarma. Kirtivarma I and Pulakesin I and Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya I and Vikramaditya II, and last personality Kirtivarma II. So this is the period, this is the famous ruler belongs to Badami or Vatapi Chalukya dynasty. The first famous ruler Pulakesin I. What is the contribution? Pulakesin I, what is the contribution? He was the great ruler, have a titles, took a titles like Satyasraya. Satyasraya is the first title belongs to Pulakesin I, and the second title Rana Vikrama. Rana Vikrama and Sri Vallabha and Prithvi Vallabha. Prithvi Vallabha. Satyasraya, Rana Vikrama, Sri Vallabha, Prithvi Vallabha. This is the four title belongs to Pulakesin I based on contribution. He was the first great ruler and the first independent ruler in Badami Chalukya or Vatapi Chalukya based on historical evidence, and took a title Satyasraya, Rana Vikrama, Sri Vallabha, Prithvi Vallabha. Prithvi Vallabha. And also he was the first personality as the first ruler in Badami Chalukya or Vatapi Chalukya conduct Ashwamedha Yaga. Why to conduct Ashwamedha Yaga? According to Yajurveda, Ashwamedha Yaga conduct by the ruler due to, what is the reason? Dynasty extended. When ruler wanted to dynasty extend, those ruler conducted Ashwamedha Yaga. He was the first Badami Chalukya ruler conduct Ashwamedha Yaga. Ashwamedha Yaga. Ashwamedha Yaga conduct by Pulakesin I and took a title Swarat. According to Yajurveda, who ruler conduct? Which ruler conduct Ashwamedha Yaga took a title after the completion of Ashwamedha Yaga? Swarat. Swarat is the title took by Pulakesin I due to the reason he was conduct Ashwamedha Yaga and extended his dynasty. And also he was built number of temples, Hindu temples at where Vatapi. He was the great builder in Badami Chalukya period, Badami Chalukya ruler, and construct number of Hindu temples like Shiva temple and Vishnu temples At where? Vatapi is the capital of Badami Chalukya in Karnataka region near Bijapur. Near Bijapur. This is the contribution of Pulakeshin I was the first independent and great ruler in Badami Chalukya. The successor of Pulakeshin I, Kirtivarma. He was also the famous ruler in Badami Chalukya. Under the guidance of Kirtivarma, Vatapi is a perfect capital of Badami and well developed Vatapi at the time of Kirtivarma I. In the period of Kirtivarma I, Vatapi is the capital of Badami, well developed by Kirtivarma. Sanitation and roadways and different type of facilities constructed by Kirtivarma. Vatapi developed by Kirtivarma I. The successor of the Kirtivarma, Pulakeshin II. He was the great ruler in Badami Chalukya and also Chalukya family member. He was the great personality due to the reason based on Aiholu inscription. Aiholu inscription belongs to Pulakeshin II. Aiholu inscription wrote by Ravikirti. Who is one Ravikirti? He was the court poet of Pulakeshin II. Who? Ravikirti was the court poet of Pulakeshin II and wrote information about Pulakeshin II in Aiholu inscription. Originally, Aiholu inscription wrote by Ravikirti about Pulakeshin II. According to Aiholu inscription, what is the contribution of Pulakeshin to the Badami Chalukya or Vatapi Chalukya? He was participated number of wars against to other dynasty or surrounding dynastities. The first war, Pulakeshin first war, Kolleru war. And second one, Pullaluru war. And third one, Manimangalai war. Manimangalai war. And fourth one, Narmada war. Kolleru war between Madhava Varma III versus Pulakeshi and Pullaluru war, Mahendra Varma I versus Pulakeshi II, and Manimangalai war, Narasimha Varma I versus Pulakeshi II, and Narmada river war, Harsha Vardhana versus Pulakeshi II. Simple. Madhav Varma versus Pulakeshi II. Mahendra Varma versus Pulakeshi II. Narasimha Varma versus Pulakeshi II. Harshavardhana versus Pulakeshi II. So that's why, according to historical personalities, he was the great ruler in Badami Chalukya and involved in number of wars like Kolleru wars. Kolleru war began between Pulakeshi I versus Madhava Varma I. He was a Vishnukundani ruler. Vishnukundina Vishnukundina ruler. In this war, Madhavarma III defeated by Pulakeshin I. Pulakeshin I, finally Pulakeshin I occupied or captured Vengi from Vishnukundani dynasty, especially the ruler Madhavarma III. And Mahendravarma I belongs to Pallava dynasty. Conflict began between Pulakeshin II versus Mahendravarma I. In this war, Mahendravarma I defeated. And the second time in 643 Manimangala war began between Narasimhavarma versus Pulakeshin II. He was also the ruler of Pallava and the son of Mahendravarma I. Finally, Narasimhavarma I decided and invaded on Chalukya dynasty when the Chalukya ruler Pulakeshin II. In this war, Pulakeshin II defeated by the Narasimhavarma I. And Narmada war between Harshavardhana versus Pulakeshin II. Harshavardhana was a great ruler in Harshavardhana dynasty in North India. Finally, he was decided and invaded on South India. Conflict began between Pulakeshin II versus Harshavardhana. In this war, Harshavardhana defeated by Pulakeshin II according to Ahigolu inscription. Pulakeshin II participated in 4 wars. Out of the 4 wars, only Manimangala war, Pulakeshin was defeated by the Narasimhavarma I. So this is the better contribution of the Pulakeshin II, the greatness of the Pulakeshin II in Badami Chalukya. And also he was the contemporary of Persia ruler Khusru. Who is one? Pulakeshin II was the contemporary of Khusru. Contemporary of the Khusru, he was a Persia ruler. Sent a ambassador to the Khusru, and also Khusru sent a ambassador to the Pulakeshin II for the diplomatic relation between Persia versus Badami. So this type of diplomatic relation developed by Pulakeshin II through the ambassadors, exchange their ambassadors between Persia versus Badami. Pulakeshin II was the great personality. And also in his period, Pulakeshin II period, Huyan Sang, he was the great Chinese Buddhist traveler. Visit Vatapi region in 640-641. In 640-641 AD, the great China Buddhist traveler visit Vatapi when the ruler in Badami Chalukya, Pulakeshin II. Simple. Pulakeshin II brother Kubja Vishnuvardhana and the contemporary of Pulakeshin II, Harshavardhana. So Huyan Sang also the contemporary of Pulakeshin II and Harshavardhana, Kubja Vishnuvardhana. Pulakeshin II visit Huyan Sang visit Pulakeshin II dynasty and Kubja Vishnuvardhana dynasty, Harshavardhana dynasty. Due to the reason, the 3 personality was the contemporary belongs to Huyan Sang was the China great Buddhist traveler. This is the importance of the Pulakeshin II. And also Pulakeshin II have a title Parameshwara when Harshavardhana defeated by Pulakeshin II in Narmada war. According to High Holy inscription, Pulakeshin II have a title Parameshwara. This title took by Pulakeshin II in Narmada war. This is the symbolic of Narmada war victory. Pulakeshin II have a title Parameshwara in High Holy inscription. And also other information also there in High Holy inscription about Harshavardhana. Harshavardhana have a title Sakalottara Pateshwara. Sakalottara Pateshwara was the title belongs to Harshavardhana, was defeated by Pulakeshin II in Narmada war. According to Aiholu inscription. This is the best contribution of Pulakeshin II. And Vikramaditya II period, Arab invades on Chalukya dynasty. Arab attacks on Chalukya dynasty. Invade or attacks on Chalukya dynasty when the ruler in Badami Chalukya in South India, Vikramaditya II. Finally Kirtivarma period 2, Pandya dynasty ruler Jatavarma Sundara Pandya decided and invade on Badami Chalukya. Finally, Kirtivarma defeated by the Jatavarma Sundara Pandya. Badami Chalukya dynasty merged involved in as a part of Pandya dynasty. In the part of Pandya dynasty. At the time, the Badami Chalukya ruler Kirtivarma was the last ruler and the weak ruler in Badami Chalukya. The situation observed and captured by Jatavarma Sundara Pandya. He was the ruler of Pandya dynasty. Finally, Badami Chalukya dynasty merged in Pandya dynasty. And some of the great ruler in Vengi dynasty. Vengi dynasty also called as Eastern Chalukya dynasty. Who is the founder of the Eastern Chalukya dynasty? Eastern Chalukya dynasty. Eastern Chalukya dynasty founder Kubja Vishnuvardhana. Kubja Vishnuvardhana. He was the founder of Eastern Chalukya and also he was the brother of Pulakeshin II. When Pulakeshin to occupy Vengi from Vishnu Kandana ruler Madhavarma III in Kolleru War. So this region under controlled by Kubja Vishnuvardhana. After the death sentence of Pulakeshin II, he was the permanent ruler of the independent ruler of the Eastern Chalukya dynasty. Eastern Chalukya dynasty. The second greatest personality in Eastern Chalukya is the Gunaga Vijayaditya. Gunaga Vijayaditya. Gunaga Vijayaditya was the great ruler in Eastern Chalukya, nothing but also called as Vengi Chalukya dynasty. And the famous personality Rajaraja Narendra. Rajaraja Narendra also the famous personality in Eastern Chalukya. Kubja Vishnuvardhana and Gunaga Vijayaditya, Rajaraja Narendra was the great rulers in Eastern Chalukya. What is the contribution of Kubja Vishnuvardhana? According to historical sources, he was the founder of Eastern Chalukya, nothing but Vengi Chalukya. Vengi is the capital city of Eastern Chalukya in the period Kubja Vishnuvardhana. He was the brother of Pulakeshin II and also have a titles. Which title have Kubja Vishnuvardhana? The first title, Visama Siddhi. Visama Siddhi. What is the meaning of Visama Siddhi? He was the conqueror of Giri, Durga, Vana, Vanija. Giri, Durga, Vana, Vanja type of forts conquered by Kubja Vishnuvardhana. That's why took a title Visama Siddhi. And second title Parama Bhagavata. Parama Bhagavata. This is the second title of Kubja Vishnuvardhana. The Kubja Vishnuvardhana wife Ayyana Mahadevi. She was the great donor in Eastern Chalukya and construct a Nidum Basati in Bejawada. In Bejawada, Nidum Basati. Basati is the hostels of Jainist monks or rest house of the Jainist monks. This Nidum Basati in Bejawada constructed by Ayyana Mahadevi with the help of Kubja Vishnuvardhana. And also he was the great follower of Jain Kama Vaidika religion. Jain Kama Vaidika religion. Who is the one? Kubja Vishnuvardhana was the great patronage or the follower of which religion? Jain Kama Vaidika religion. The successor of the Kubja Vishnuvardhana in Eastern Chalukya known as Gunaga Vijayaditya. What is the titles? Based on historical sources, had a title. The first one, Gunaga. What is the meaning of Gunaga? He was the master in mathematics. Who is the one? Gunaga Vijayaditya was the master in mathematics. That's why he took a title Gunaga. Gunaga is the indication he was the master in mathematics. And also the second title, Parama Chakra Raya. Parama Chakra Raya is the second title of Gunaga Vijayaditya. And the third title of Gunaga Vijayaditya, Sri Vallabha. Sri Prithvi Vallabha. Prithvi Vallabha. Sri Prithvi Vallabha is the third title of Gunaga Vijayaditya. He was a master in mathematics. He was a master in mathematics. And also Gunaga Vijayaditya army commander or army general. Army commander. Who is army commander of Gunaga Vijayaditya? Panduranga. Pandurangadu or Panduranga was the army commander of Gunaga Vijayaditya and construct a inscription known as Adhanki inscription. Adhanki inscription. Adhanki inscription belongs to Gunaga Vijayaditya, constructed by Panduranga, was a army commander of Gunaga Vijayaditya. It is a first Telugu. It is a first Telugu poem inscription. This Adhanki inscription have the first Telugu poem. First Telugu poem constructed by Panduranga was a army commander of or Senapati of Gunaga Vijayaditya. And the famous personality in Eastern Chalukya, Rajaraja Narendra. Rajaraja Narendra wife Ammanga Devi. Ammanga Devi. Ammanga Devi. Rajaraja Narendra wife Ammanga Devi. He was the great ruler in Eastern Chalukya. He was the great ruler in Eastern Chalukya. And court poet of Rajaraja Narendra, Nannaya. Nannaya was the great poet of Rajaraja Narendra. Nannaya was the great poet of Rajaraja Narendra. So he was the great patronage of the literature and the Sanskrit and Telugu, especially Telugu. Best contribution given by Rajaraja Narendra. He was the famous personality in Chalukya, Eastern Chalukya dynasty. So this is the great personality belongs to Eastern Chalukya, given to best contribution. And in Kalyani Chalukya period, books like Bilhana, Vikramanka, Devacharitra, Vikramanka Devacharitra. The first book, Bilhana, belongs to Chalukya period. Vikramanka Devacharitra. Vignaneshwara, Mitakshara, book known as Mitakshara. Nyaya Sastra, మితాక్షర న్యాయశాస్త్ర. రన్నఘ. Ranagha was a poet, belongs to Chalukya, especially in Kalyani Chalukya period, wrote a Gadayudha. Gadayudha, the first book, Gadayudha. The second book, Ajita Raya Purana. Ajita Raya Purana, Gadayudha book wrote by Ranagha, and Mitakshara Nyaya Shastra wrote by Vijnaneshwara, and Vikramanga Devacharitra wrote by Bilahana. Was the poets belongs to Kalyani Chalukya, also called as Western Chalukya with capital Manyaked. This is the contribution of Chalukya dynasty, especially in South India. Especially in South India between 6th century to 8th century, and also 10th century to 12th century in India. In South India, one of the famous dynasty, and also the contemporary of dynasty, Kakatiya dynasty, Yadava dynasty. Who is Yadavas? What is the evidence? According to historical evidence, Yadava dynasty, also called as Sevana dynasty. Sevana or Sevuna dynasty. Sevuna dynasty. According to Hindu mythology, Yadavas belongs to Yayati family members. One of the Yayati family members, Yadavas. And also Samantas are subordinates of Kalyani Chalukyas, and also the contemporary of Kakatiya rulers. When Kalyani Chalukya period, Kalyani Chalukyas, also called as Western Chalukya, Yadavas and Kakatiya, both rulers, both family members, worked as a employees, and Samantas in Kalyani Chalukya or Western Chalukya. The last ruler of Kalyani Chalukya or Western Chalukya, Somadeva IV or Someshwara IV. Someshwara IV was the last ruler in Kalyani Chalukya or Western Chalukya. He was the weak ruler. This situation observed and captured by Yadavas and Kakatiyas. Finally, Kakatiya ruler decided and created a dynasty known as Kakatiya dynasty in Telugu region. In the same time, another dynasty emerged at Maratha region, the dynasty known as Yadava dynasty. Yadava dynasty. Yadava dynasty. Yadava dynasty. Dynasty. Other name, founder, first ruler, great ruler, rulers, last ruler, language, evidence, period, region, dynasty, Yadava dynasty, Yadava dynasty. Other name Sevana, Sevuna rulers. The founder Billama III. First ruler Billama III. First independent ruler. Great ruler Jaitugi, Singama, Ramachandra Deva, the last ruler Hariraya. Language Kannada, Marathi, Sanskrit. Evidence Dhaneshwariyam and Abhangas. And what is the period? AD 850 to 1334 AD. Region Maratha and Kannada. Region. So the other information, Yadavas, the contemporary of Kakatiya, Kakatiyas, and the Samantas of Kalyani. And the family member of Yayati. According to Purana, Yadavas, also called as Sevunas. Those Sevuna people belongs to Yayati family members, one of the Yayati family members, and the contemporary of Kakatiya dynasty, Kakatiya rulers, and the Samantas of subordinates of Kalyani Chalukya. Finally, Billama III, he was the first independent ruler in Yadava dynasty. Created Yadava dynasty in Maratha and Kannada region with capital. What is the capital? Devagiri. Devagiri is the capital, belongs to which region at present day? That is Maharashtra region. Devagiri is the capital of Yadava dynasty. The first independent ruler Billama III, he was the great ruler, one of the great ruler. And Jaitugi was the second great ruler, Singama III and Singama II and Ramachandra Deva. What is the importance and the contribution of the Jaitugi? He was the contemporary of the famous Kakatiya ruler Rudradeva I, also called as Prataparudra. Prataparudra I, also called as Rudradeva. He was the first independent ruler in Kakatiya dynasty, was the contemporary of Jaitugi. And finally conflict began between Prataparudra I versus Jaitugi in 1195. In this war, Jaitugi defeat Rudradeva or Prataparudra I and murdered. In 1195, war or conflict began between Yadava versus Kakatiya dynasty. Kakatiya ruler Rudradeva defeated and murdered by Jaitugi. The second importance of Jaitugi, and also he was the contemporary of second Kakatiya ruler Mahadeva. He was the father of Ganapati Deva. Mahadeva was also defeated by Jaitugi and murdered by Jaitugi. So this is the importance of Jaitugi. Was the contemporary of Mahadeva and Rudradeva. And Ramachandra Deva, he was the contemporary of Delhi Sultanates. At the time of Ramachandra Deva, Delhi Sultanates attacks or invade on Yadava dynasty. Finally, Yadava dynasty captured and merged in the part of Delhi Sultanate, especially in Muhammad bin Tughlaq period. Simple. The first attack on Yadava dynasty in Alauddin Khilji period. Finally, Yadava dynasty, one of the part in Delhi Sultanate in Muhammad bin Tughlaq period. Simple. So this type of Delhi attacks when the ruler of Yadava dynasty, Ramachandra Deva, and the last ruler of dynasty, Hari Raya. The language followed by the patronage of Kannada, Marathi and Sanskrit, followed by the Yadavas. The famous evidence, the most useful evidence about the Yadava dynasty, the famous court poet, the famous writer belongs to Yadava dynasty, Dhyaneshwar, wrote a book known as Dhyaneshwariyam, and Abhangas poem wrote by Dhyaneshwar. It is a most important evidence about the Yadava dynasty in South India, was the contemporary of Kakatiyas. And a period, what is the period of Yadava dynasty in South India? In Maratha and Kannada region, AD 850 to 1334 AD, Anna Domini. The region belongs to Maratha, Kannada and capital Devagiri. So this is the complete issue, and the information about the Yadava dynasty was the contemporary of Kakatiyas and Hoysalas also. Who is the one? Yadava dynasty. This is the another important dynasty in South India.